Aselsan. If you haven't heard, Aselsan is aiming to be one of the top 30 defense firms in the world by 2030. Let's dive into what's fueling their ambitious goal. Aselsan, founded 49 years ago, has grown into one of Turkey's leading defense firms. At the recent Farnborough International Air Show in the UK, Aselsan's CEO, Ahmet Akyol, outlined their ambitious plans. According to Akyol, the company is tirelessly working to be among the top 30 global defense companies by 2030. And guess what? They've got the support of the Turkish government and shareholders to back them up. So what makes Aselsan stand out? For starters, they're deeply embedded in Turkey's recent strides in aviation. From exporting unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, helicopters and airplanes to even homegrown satellites, Aselsan is a key player. At Farnborough, they showcased over 50 products across 6 categories, including avionic systems, electronic warfare solutions, electro-optical cameras, radar systems, and communications technologies. One of Aselsan's core strategies involves high-tech production to boost both the Turkish economy and international cooperation. Did you know they export products worth $2,000 per kilogram? That's some serious value. Last year alone, Aselsan reached an annual revenue of $2.5 billion. They've got offices, factories, and operations in 18 different countries, and they boast 16 subsidiaries within Turkey. But Aselsan isn't just about numbers. They're also focused on the future. As part of their 2030 objectives, they're laying out technology roadmaps, speeding up operations, and embracing digital transformation. They're leaving no stone unturned to climb from their current rank of 47 to the top 30 defense firms globally within 7 years. And what's behind their success? Qualified human resources. Aselsan has established a vocational high school to support youth education and internship programs for college students. This not only builds a pipeline of skilled talent, but also ensures the next generation is well prepared to join the ranks of Aselsan's innovative workforce. The commitment to innovation and excellence is evident in every aspect of Aselsan's operations. With a robust strategy, strong government backing, and a focus on high-tech solutions, Aselsan is well on its way to achieving its 2030 vision. So, keep an eye on this Turkish titan as it aims for the stars. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the world of defense. Until next time, stay informed and stay excited about the future of defense technology. Thanks for watching.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.